Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will tell you an easy way to draw a peacock. So let's get started. First, let's draw a circle. From here, let's draw a slight curve back. From here, let's draw another one like this. And from here, let's draw spiral curve. And connect it here. Now let's draw the claws. Now let's draw the eyes and the beak. And the crest. Now let's color this. To color the peacock, I'm taking these three colors. And now let's start the coloring. I'm using red for the beak, blue for the body, and green for the feathers. Black for the eye and yellow for the claws. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.